Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. So in today's video I will show you how you can add up to 8 more categories to your non-fiction, low content or even no content books. I will show you 2 ways how you can find the right categories for your books, because it's very important to choose the right one. After this, I will show you how you can contact the Amazon support and write the perfect email for them so that they can add those categories to your book. So stay tuned and we will see us in 5.5 seconds, my friend. So I think every one of you know, if you're creating a book and want to publish a book, you have to add up to 2 categories in your Amazon KDP dashboard. So Amazon allows us to choose 2 categories that fits the most with our book, and you have to select the right category for your book. So you can browse through the categories that are selected from Amazon, going for example in the games niche and select the category chess. The amount of categories you can choose is limited to 2. But there is a simple trick how you can add up to 8 more categories to your book. The reason why you have to do this is very easy explained. If you have more categories to your book, the Amazon customer can find your book if they are browsing in the categories on Amazon.com, and there is a higher chance that your book will be found and can increase your sales and your royalty. So now I will show you how you choose the right categories for your books, and after this I will show you how you contact the Amazon support so that they can add your chosen 8 categories to your book. So the first thing you can do, you can browse the categories at Amazon.com and choose the right categories for your book. For example, you can here select the category section to books, and if you're scrolling down, you can see a lot of categories that Amazon gives you to browse in. So for example, there's the category business and money. If you select this category, you can see that there are more small categories under this huge niche. So for example, we have the subcategory accounting. You can click on this. And as you can see, there's another subcategory, for example, financial. This could be your category. The category is in books, business and money, accounting, financial. And you can write it down if it is the right category for your book and matches the type of book. So I recommend to do a little category research and browse the whole books categories. For example, you know your book is published in a niche for children's, so you can make a little deeper category research in the category children's books, or for example education and teaching. I would recommend that you have a closer look at those categories where the search results are not too high. At the same time, the category has a good demand, a good search volume, and so on. So make this little research, find the right categories that could fit your book type, and write it down. So the second way how you can find good categories is a very good tool from the person of SelfPublishingTitans. You can check out his website. There's a link in the box right down below the video. And if you are on the website, there's a button with KDP resources. There, the first option is the KDP book category finder. So you can click on this, and then there is a little pop-up, and you can select the country. So Amazon US for Amazon.com. You can select the type of book you're publishing, paperback or Kindle books. And then the most important thing, you can enter a keyword or a phrase that is explaining your book good enough. So for example, your book is a handwriting book. you type it in, and as you can see, this tool gives us 3 suggested categories you could choose. For example, the books, children books, education, reference category, subcategory, reading and writing, handwriting. Okay, so you can try different combinations. For example, only writing, you can see there are different types of categories. And so type different keywords, type different phrases into this tool, select the right categories, and after we have our 8 additional categories, we move on to the second part of the video, how to contact Amazon directly, send them an email describing what we want, and make it possible that they can add up those ad categories to our book. You go into your Amazon KDP account and click on this little button help, and now you have to scroll down to this box where you can contact the Amazon support directly, and now a new window opens where you can select different types of problems you have. We will choose manage your books and series and click on this field, enter book details and upload book content. So now you have to choose if you want to send an email or as the community have a live chat or have a phone call. I recommend to send an email, so you can click on this button. And now you're typing the following thing into this email. The first thing you have to type in, of course, is the ASIN of your book, so that the Amazon support can connect the book to the issue or problem that you have. The second one is a little or short and kind description of your problem. So you're writing description of issue or inquiry. Please add the above ASIN in the following 8 categories. And then, for example, you choose it's an ebook or paperback. But this is not necessary because your ASIN shows the support what kind of book this is. And now you have to give person from the Amazon support the right path so that they can easily add the categories to your book. There are 2 options. If you are selecting the categories with the tool from SelfPublishingTitans, you can copy the whole path of the selected category. So push the button copy to clipboard, and then you can paste it into this email. So this is the right path Amazon needs to add your category to your books. So the category path is books. For example, books, reference, words, language and grammar, handwriting. Or if you are doing your research on Amazon directly, you do the same thing. So for example, you want to publish a children's book in the animals niche. So your path is going to be books, children's books, animals, for example. So you're writing books, children's books, animals. So if you're giving the Amazon support the right path, it makes the life of the person very, very easy, and they can fast answer to your issue or problem. At the end, you are writing a little thank you and send a message. Then I think it's about 2 days. The Amazon support will contact you with an answer like, thanks for your message. We added selected categories to your ASIN, to your book, and then your book is able to show up in more categories. So your book will show up more often. You will be able to make more sales and you increase your royalty. And now that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you do so, hit the subscribe and the thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. I wish you all the best and we'll see us in the next video.